Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make Omotuo, also known as rice balls. So I have about 2.5 cups of rice. First thing first, we need to give it a good wash. Once it's washed, I will put about 4 cups of water to it and also a pinch of salt for taste. I allow that to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it was cooked, I stirred and kneaded it together until it became solid, and I was able then to form balls with it. And I'll be having that with peanut butter soup. I have already made a video of how to make a peanut butter soup, so if you click the link above, you'll be able to see how I made this delicious soup. And that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, also click on the notification button so that you receive all my latest uploads. Thanks for watching. Bye.